Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and today I actually have a new resource for royalty free musics, and from this source you can use the music in any project that you want. Maybe it's commercial, maybe it's non-commercial. You have the total permission for it. So let's just see it and see what we have today or how the platform is, right? Okay, so let's just dive into it. So here we have sampled. And actually before seeing this website, let's see the licenses because that's what important. So here first they're saying I don't know why it is named check circle. I think that's the icon is not loading over here. But whatever. So all sounds can be downloaded and used for free, both commercial and non-commercial use of the licensed material are allowed. No permission needed through an attribution, like though an attribution will be welcome. Obviously, they would appreciate that. Now, what's not permitted? Compiling sound by itself or with modification from sample to create packs or to replicate a similar or competing service. So you can't mix or mash up the song to create another pack to sell, or to publish it any other platform that provides same kind of service. Okay. And another thing is sound may not be placed in a complete or archived download format in any, but not limited to, website or other mobile apps. So they are basically restricting the download of the songs in a server, so you can't serve it in your own service, basically that. Okay, whatever. So that's the thing. Now here is the platform. It really looks sleek and cool, and it's really great how they have presented the thumbnails and all. Okay. And how they have categorized all of the sections, and we have all, then we have following, like you have to actually sign into the platform in order to download all of those. Wait, let me go to the home page. Okay, so it's the home page, and here you can see. So you can just click on play to play some of the sounds, and it's really great sounds, to be honest. I will just bring on the mic to share this with you. But the sounds are really cool, and like not cool, all of the sounds are not cool, but they are really great, to be honest. They are really great because they are really high quality and well composed and all. Okay, so let's hear one of it. So you heard it, right? So, as I don't know if you have heard the quality of the sound from it or not, but it's obvious you will not be able to hear that. But yeah, it have kind of good quality, okay, into it. Now it would be useful for many of the people, I know, though we have YouTube audio libraries, but still, like every other user use that. So rather than that, we have this, and this like sounds really great. So yeah, that's it about this platform. Really easy to use because yeah, what else you wanna do? You just wanna search for music and download it, use it in any of your project, and share it with the world without any licensing, without not licensing, but without any fees or something like that. But it's really great that they are providing it for free. But I think that some days, maybe some months or year later, they will introduce songs that are paid for sure, because yeah, everything, every uh, process or every the website or every whatever. Everything needs money to run, obviously, because money is the key. Whatever. So that's it for this video. If you can find some of the similar sites, please let me know about them. I would like to make a video about them as well, because yeah, it's an important thing, because we all need sounds in our video background. Oh, we all use it in every other project. So yeah, finding more and more platforms like this which provides free sound is really great. That's one thing. And rather than that, if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And that's it for today. Bye now.